And to make the dough, we will need Calabrian chili pepper, red hot chili pepper fresh, organic chili sauce, the only one ingredient not Italian, wasabi. We need some dry yeast, sea salt. We need 00 flour. We need cold water. The ingredients that we are going to use to make the pizza are: we will need a base of andouille calabrese, nice spicy calabrese salami, some fresh mozzarella, some more organic chili sauce, some spicy chili oil, and of course, to finish this beautiful pizza, chili directly from Calabria, Italy. Okay, first thing you need is 300 grams of water. Then we get the 10 grams of dry yeast. We dump it in the water. We mix a little bit. Now it's time to add little by little the 250 grams of flour. Guys, this is the polish. Basically is a pre-fermented dough, so we make the activation of the yeast a little bit before making the dough. So we call this polish technique. We let it rest for about 1 hour. Let's get some 3 chili fresh. Now let's chop some small fresh. Let's get a couple of those, like 3 is enough. For this dough, I like to use this KitchenAid dough machine. First thing that we are going to add is the flour, which is 350 grams. Now let's add the amazing wasabi. But be careful with this because this is very spicy. 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons. That's it. Or the flavor will affect too much the flavor. But I'm gonna put a little bit more. Voila. Now we're going to add sea salt, 20 grams, a little bit extra water, 100 grams of water. Now we start the dough at number 1 for about 2 minutes. This is the pre-yeast that we made. Now we can, after 1 hour, we can add this in the dough. Now it's time to add the chilies, and mix it up, guys. Now the best part, the organic chili sauce, directly from Italy. Well, if you don't find this, you can use Tabasco. Let's go ahead a little bit, guys. This one looks very spicy, so we're not gonna put a lot. Okay, after 20 minutes, that's how we find the dough. Okay, gentlemen, after 15 minutes, we give it a little spin again. Just really quick to detach to the dough machine. Just like that. We stop, put it down, and we are ready. Voila. The dough machine needs to be nice and come out nice and clean like that. This is the consistency of the dough, nice. We create a little ball. We put a plastic wrap. We let it rest for about 1 hour. We find the dough after 1 hour. We just take off the plastic, gentle. This is the dough. Look at this, beautiful. And voila, we have 4 dough. Okay guys, now it's time to make the balls. And then if you don't have a container like this one, you can use just a really, you can use like a sheet pan and cover with plastic. So we put the dough, so we close it, just like that. If you want to learn how to make the dough balls, just check my channel, how to make the dough balls. So you make the dough balls. Voila. The spiciest pizza in the entire world. I'm going to make the pizza dough, the pizza, the toppings, everything spicy like you can never imagine in your life. Let's go make the spiciest pizza in the entire world together. I'm feeling it, let's go! Here you go guys, how we find the dough after 6 hours. Amazing color. Guys, I'm very excited to taste this pizza. My God, guys, this is insane. This is insane. Wow. The final touch. More spicy. Done. Done. This is gonna be crazy. Now wait, then I'm gonna taste it. Guys, I'm very excited. I got some napkins here. I don't have the water. Wait. It's no water right here. It's in the machine. But I have to taste it. First of all, come out perfect. This, look at this. I'm not gonna taste this because I'm not a very spicy lover. But man, I have to taste this because. Make sure you tag the spicy lover in this video. Tag on Facebook, tag in Instagram, YouTube, everywhere, guys. Are you ready? I'm ready. Man, this is crazy, man. I cannot believe it. I'm shaking. Man, it's crazy. Ha! Trust me, it's hot, man. Let me get it back. Wait 1 second. Seriously, it's hot, man. It's hot. Guys, I'm crying over how hot it is, guys. Let's go back there. It's spicy. Okay, guys. I'm getting there. I can't even. I can't talk. It's spicy, crazy. Nothing. I hope you like this video. Thumbs up. Subscribe and tag Spicy Lover. Thank you, guys. See you in the next video.